Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby and from the title you already know that today we are going to do an Amazon haul. So without wasting any further time, I'm going to start with the video. But just before we start, I just want to mention that I got a lot of recommendation of these products by watching a lot of YouTube videos like this. So I just wanted to make a video around this so that it can be helpful for anybody and everybody who's looking out to buy these products, so that because I'll be telling you my first-hand review as to how the products are. So let's begin, and the link to all the products will be in the description box down below. You can click on it and you can see if the product is available for you right now or not. Let's begin. So to begin with, we're going to do this category wise. So the first category that I'm going to do is curtains. So the first curtain that I have here for you is the one that you see behind me. I think it's not it's quite thick and casement material. It's mustard yellow in color, and as you can see, it's pretty much in all of my drawing room, and I love the color. I love the light blocking it offers. It doesn't offer like completely block out, and that's the way I like my curtains. So if you are looking for a solid color curtain, you can totally go for this. There are more colors in this available. I think there's white, there's blue. You can check it out. It's a good one. The quality is really good and the texture is also good. It doesn't fly away with fan and all that. It stays put, and that's what I like about this one the most. So this is the guest room, and I put these curtains in the whole of the guest room and all the doors and windows and everywhere. Again, the cloth is pretty fine, and as you can see, I'm shooting this at I think 3 in the afternoon, so the sun is quite bright outside. You can see the amount of blocking. It offers light blocking, and I'm okay with this. I don't like complete blocking, 100% blocking of light, so it works fine with me. If you like this, you can definitely pick this one up. The quality is really nice, the texture is good, and the cloth feels very nice and good in your hand, so you can definitely check this one out. The third and fourth variety of curtains that I have in my house are these two. So this one is white and blue in texture. You can see that it is white and it has blue motifs on all over the curtain, and the other one is this plain blue. This is jute kind of fabric. It's not casement, but it's also nice and thick, so you can see how much it is blocking the light. So I always wanted a white color curtain, and I just combined these two because the other two curtains, they're all the same. So in this room I wanted a little change. That's why I did this combination. So if you want to check them out, I will obviously have the links in the description box below. I highly recommend both of them. I really love this one. I haven't washed it till now, so I don't know if this blue is gonna fade or not, but I don't think so it's going to fade, because originally also it's not very dark that it is going to fade. It's quite light in color, so I'm just hoping that it is not going to fade. And this one is also comes highly recommended, and this comes in a lot of color as well, like I think rust color, and there's yellow color as well. There are a couple of colors that you can check out. So the next category that we are going to talk about is cushion covers and cushion filling. From Amazon, the cushion covers that I picked are these ones. So they come in a bunch of like they're white and blue, but the abstract printing is a little different for all of them. There were a set of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. There were a set of 5, and all 5 of them are of different print. And again, I've washed them. The colors have not gone. The texture is very the same texture as the curtains are, so it's quite thick in nature. The cloth feels nice, it is not flimsy, and the zips and all, everything is really nice and good quality, so you can definitely check them out. And they are available in more colors as well. I think yellow is also available in them. While we are talking about cushion, I will also talk about cushion filling. So I got 2 variety from Amazon. One was multicolor, it was colorful in nature, and one was white in color. So the white one was a little expensive than the colored one, so I got one set of white and one set of colored ones, just to see like why there's a price difference. So I feel the white one will go with any kind of cushion cover, that's why it's a little expensive. However, the colored one might reflect the color of the filling over some light cushion cover, so that could be the reason. But both of them are really nice quality, good quality, and they have good filling. When they come, they're really nice and flat. Once you open them, they really get inflated, and good fluffy cushions. So yeah, the fillings are also highly recommended from my side. If in case you're looking for cushion fillings, then you can definitely check them out. So next up on my list are these two cushions. So they came with the filling, and the measurement, as you can see, is a little different than the other cushions. So this I got just to do some cushion and pillow arrangement on the bed. So this comes with the filling, like I said, and the quality is also decent, although so the stitching has started to come off, but this is something that I can easily fix, so it's not that big of a trouble for me. And I remember this was not very expensive as well. So if you're looking something like this, you know, for your floor seating arrangement, or just to do some arrangement on your bed, this is also a good purchase. And this also comes in a lot of color. I think this is in blue, gray, and a lot of other colors as well, so you can check these out. These are also good quality ones. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is this throw. So I've never really bought a throw in my life, so this is the first throw that I got, and I'm kind of satisfied with the quality, and coincidentally it goes well with the sofa cover that I've put in. I mean, I don't have much to say about it, but yeah, if you're looking for a throw, then this is a good one. The quality is nice. I've washed it once, the color has not gone, the fabric has not moved even a little. So if you're looking for a throw, then this comes highly recommended. So next up on my list is this lamp, and this also we got from Amazon. This has a jute layering here, and then on the legs we have 3 compartments, as in where you can keep stuff as well. Quality wise, it's good. I mean, it has been quite some time since we got it, and there's nothing which has gone wrong with it. It looks very nice, it is minimalist, and aesthetically also it looks very nice. So if you're looking for a lamp, like tall lamp, you can definitely check this one out. There are a lot of varieties in this one as well, so if you're looking for a lamp, definitely check this one out. So next up on my list is this small lamp. So this one is quite small. Let me turn off the light. So now you can see this is very small in size. This was available on some deal, and it was quite cheap, and the reviews were really good. So I thought I'll just give it a try because it was not very expensive, and it is actually very good. The mount here is also not some, you know, flimsy material. It's quite sturdy, and this fabric also is quite sturdy and good. And I know the bulb is of higher wattage, but I'm going to replace the bulb. But otherwise, this one is a cute little lamp. So if you're looking something for your bedside, or just to, you know, pop one small lamp on a table or anywhere, I mean, this is a good choice. And also it's very cheap, so you can definitely give it a try. Next up on my list is this jute planter. Now this is one of my best purchases. I really love it. This is so good quality, and it looks really nice, very boho, very chic. So if you're looking for a jute planter, this is 25 centimeter cross 25 centimeter. I remember the dimensions as well. So if you're looking for a jute planter, definitely get this one. I highly recommend it. It looks amazing. So next up on my list is this set of 3 baskets. So as you can see by now, you must be knowing that I'm obsessed with jute baskets. So this one is very good quality. Let me just show you. This is so nice and thick, if you see. And this comes in 3 sizes. Like, the set has 3 sizes. One is this big one, so I've put a snake plant in that, and one is a smaller one than that. Exact measurement you can find in the description box. And one is the small one, so I'm keeping medicines in this small one, need of the hour. But yeah, this set of 3 jute planters is something that I highly recommend. Even if you don't want to use this for keeping plants, you can use them for anything, but they look really nice and they are very good quality. So next up on my list is again a set of planters. So as you can see, this is another set of planter which is a little grey and beige in color, combination of grey and beige. This also comes in 3 sizes. This is the bigger one, you can see, and this is the smaller one, and this is the smallest one. So these are also quite good quality. So unlike the jute ones, these ones, they don't have handles. So that's what the difference between these two sets are. But again, I strongly and highly recommend both of these sets. They look really nice, they are very sturdy, and they kind of go with every decor that you have in the house. Next on the list is this small plant stand. This is a foldable one, so basically this folds from here, both the sides, and this is a small one. Nothing much to say about this. The quality is also decent, not that bad, not that great. So it is not very expensive also, so I kind of gave it a try, but it's decent. I mean, if you want to cluster your plants like smaller pots, you can definitely give this one a try. I will leave the link, like I said, for all the products in the description box below. Next up on the list is this jute mat. So this one is very popular on YouTube. You will pretty much see this in every YouTuber's haul video, and rightly so. This is really good quality and good material, and pricing is also good, so it's not very expensive. So if you want something like this, I highly recommend this. And this comes in different shapes as well. I think this comes in rectangle as well, so you can buy that if that suits your purpose. But when we bought this, we were thinking that if we did not like it, we will just return it, but we quite liked it. And this jute mat completes this corner for us. So if you see the lamp there and the jute mat there, it basically puts everything together. Next, when we're talking about mat, the next mat is this one, the next carpet is this one. So it looks a little dirty right now because it is dirty right now. They're going to get it washed very soon, but I thought since I'm making this video, I'll include this. So again, this is a good quality one. You can consider this if you want to. Nothing bad to say about this one. This is a good carpet as well. So if you're looking for a carpet, you can check this one out. Again, this comes in a lot of colors. For measurement and everything, I will drop the link in the description box. And now we have come to this small section which is right here. Now here what I want to show you is this jute placemat, and this also comes in a set of 2. Again, very nice build quality. Not a single thread has gone from here and there, and I am making this video after using it for months, so be rest assured for the quality. This is really good, and I got this in a set of 2, so I'll leave the link in the description box. If you want, you can definitely check this one out. It was not very expensive, and it looks really nice. And from that, we are going to come to this stand. This is a candle stand. Again, this is not very expensive, because on Amazon you can find very expensive candle holders, but this one was not very expensive, so I got this one, and it is really nice. Fits all major sizes of candles and looks also really nice. So I will leave the link for this one also in the description box, and I will leave a couple of more as well, because later I found a couple of good ones as well, so I'll leave the links for them also. So next up on my list are few things that are on the dining table. I'll start with the table cover. So this one is a nice good table cover. So I wanted a brown table cover, and I got this one. This is really nice, thick material, good texture, good quality. I've washed it twice or thrice. The color has not gone, the fabric has not moved even an inch, and for a 6-seater dining table, this one is really good. So if you're looking for a dining table, you can definitely check this one out. I got another one as well. I'm going to show you that as well. I really like that one as well, so if you want, you can check that out as well. I'll put a clip of that tablecloth because right now it's in the linen cupboard, so I can't show you right now, but I'll put a clip of that one. Now with that, I'll show you my other table cover, which is this one. So I'm gonna just show you a little bit so that you can understand the design. So it is just this one, checkered form. So you've basically got 4 colors of check. This beige, a little darker one, and more dark, and then dark brown, and that's the whole pattern. Again, it goes well with the theme of the drawing room, which is yellow and browns and all that. The material, the texture, everything is really fine. This just now it has came out of wash, so I can vouch for the colors and quality and everything. So if you're looking for a table cover, definitely you can buy this one. Next up is this table runner. Though this one is quite popular on Amazon. A lot of people have got it. I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube for this table runner, and rightly so, because it's really nice and good quality. So this one comes highly recommended as well. And from that point, I'm gonna show you another thing, which is this. I'm not sure if you can see it, which is this seat cover. So if you see this one, this we got, I think this comes in a pack of 2. So we got 3 packs because we wanted one for each chair. And this one is also really nice, good quality. It has been quite a few months since we are using, I think last October since we are using this. The cushioning has not gone that much, like it is still good one. And it comes with 4 ties on all 4 sides. So basically you can tie it up nicely with your chair and it is not going to move much. So it's a little big for this chair, but we have kind of, nicely tied it so it doesn't move, and it is very comfortable. So if you're looking something like this to even sit on the floor also, this is really nice. So I will highly recommend this. So another runner that I have is this one. This was in wash, and right now it was kept in the cupboard, so I couldn't show you. But this is also something that I got with that brown table cover only. It goes well with the brown table cover. So this table runner is also very popular on Amazon. This is from the brand the Home Talk. The fabric, as you can see, is quite thick and quite good. They've got tassels at the end, so both the ends they have some tassels. This is also very good quality. If you're looking for a runner, I highly recommend this one and the yellow one that I showed you earlier. So next up I have some candles to show you. So I've never been a candle person, but once you start liking candles, it's very difficult to go back. So candles are quite expensive, but basically I found a few candles which are not very expensive and they smell delightful. I got these recommendations from YouTube only, so I thought I'll share this with you. So let's begin. So the first one that I want to show you is this one, which is a delicate lavender scent, and this, as you can see, I'm using right now, and this also smells really nice. This, and then another one is scented candle vanilla latte. This is a new one. I've not started using this one. So both of these came as a set, and I remember they were not very expensive and they smell really nice. And before this I also got this one. So this one was apple sake, but I've already finished that, and as you can see I'm repurposing this as a planter already. So yeah, these 3 candles, and they're not very expensive. They are less than 200 bucks each. You can definitely check them out if you are into candles. And now that we are discussing candles, I also thought I'll show you this lighter that I got. So basically the best part about this lighter is this end, which you can fold it any way you like. So these are for candles, for lighting candles. So like this, if your candle has gone down to this level, it's very difficult to light it with a matchbox. So something like this, it is really helpful in lightening this up. If you see, I can just light it like this. So something like this, a end like this, really helps in lightening your candle easily, and you can use it to light anything basically, but this flexible end makes it very easy to use for candles and everything. So I got this one also. So this came in a set of 2, one black and one yellow one. So one I've kept in my puja ghar, and one keeps going around in the house. So yep. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. All of the products that I've shown you, I've been using them for months, and all my review is from my personal use. So pretty much all of them, they come highly recommended. So if you want to give them a try, the links to all of them will be in the description box below. You can check that out. And with this, I will end this video. I hope you like it. I'm not sure if all the products will be available to you right now because of COVID, but I think most of them are. So you can give it a check and let me know what was the best thing that you liked from the haul. And if you like this video, don't forget to like the video and comment on the video which was your favorite product, and share it with people or your friends who are looking to decorate your house, or they're looking something similar just to deck up their house. So you can share the video with them. It basically helps with the YouTube analytics, so it will be great help for me. and yeah, subscribe to the channel as well. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, bye.